bloggers crash it. Crash it. Enti yeah numre ana the Ghana Armed Forces na the almost statement at the buy. Enti almost 7 say it was by force landing. Na ma hwehwe mu akonya video no ebra almost landing bi. Yes. Tama almost lande ewo Western region ho. Ekura na se ho no. E video no ebi wa ha. A me de ma live na wahwe. Nti me pacho. Baby a wo bi a oba Facebook page ewa Akoma 87.9 FM. You will get a live video of how the military aircraft landed. Now it was very interesting, and it confirms to the fact to say and crash it. Mokaya, I think proud to the 2016 election. Muamuwa buakwa tanoso Bonsukrom to be precise. Now the same armed forces flight TB. I think it was carrying the former president John Dramani Mahama's wife. I stand for correction. But a forced landing. Oh, Bonsukrom. Tano so heya. And also one some a year deja. Kaya later and omode convoy. And so it take all nipa a womb. Edwomo Ekoye. Military say it's never been a crash. Di ubia onena ma waka say military flight na crash ni ade no. Enya no kre. They will communicate to us and get us the details. It's okay. So therefore this is the scene. And this is how they see any achese krom ho nkwala wo bia echija madi achire who play no aeroplane besio aeroplane mekaze ya kurase na ka etwemu a vare ne akurase tumirika kakra ba kwa wansa na wahu ka ready yes ami aye bio kofi mu bi kurase fo me mo atiase esa kurase tu ba bi na awurade de aba enti na wo kurase no wanya plane ahwe na enie chasemanfo bumfumpa ebufa so chasa boys eni abre wo bi kura de benya ge te jack I play we eyamia me ofade aminti no aba chasa boys ready betchi gas flat chasa de no oh what now the guy kakra as a soldier for 70 years now, but the guy kakra could beat my ben hono. Wait till I catch police military for flight this year. Me am dikan call. They are non kran kwano. What they score 3 points straightforward. No be any asem. No be any asem. So this is how it happened. The noise anyone sem, but statement the Ghana Armed Forces ediaba a great kwashi. And Sasha say, Edia to say, na a Ghana gas. Nipe wom were 21. Now in the 21 no more inspection. Our gas lines nibiso. Then what happened was that they acquired do baby. Now they had to forcibly land. They had to forcibly land the flight because of an unforeseeable circumstances. And into more the details and in the SC ni akoso nyina no ebeba na omudi nchirimu ama Ghana for a pese tiasie what exactly happened. And the speculations say adiano it was a crash. The various speculation in that is not it. Nyame adom, all the 21 passengers, according to the military, ubia hoye. And that is the news ye mu bi ye pesi ye tie. Nyame adom ubia hoye. And as a result of that, ye beka se ye da nyame ase on that. But what they are not to nchen na ubia hoye ensi hwa, because we are in this town. If you see the details, what happened, why, the first landing, all the details, and near my course, we need to get a briefing to that effect. But this were the scenes, Tema landing on this year. Right.